Hi, welcome back to tables. I'm going to do a quick little recap here to remember how we got this table here. We went to table right here and we told it how many rows and columns. We told it whether we wanted percent or pixels. We changed it to a zero border and we clicked OK. In this case, our table is 3 rows with 1 column. This says 1 with 2. That's a different table than this would be. Now, something I want you to see, let's go ahead and click on the bottom border right here so the whole table is selected. And I want us to come down here and change this to 800 and change it to pixels. So now we're doing a set width. Okay, so the table is going to be only 800 pixels no matter what size the screen that's viewing it. And we're going to center align it so it's always in the middle of the screen. So go ahead and pause a moment, pause the tape, go to your Dreamweaver, and go ahead and click on the table and change it to 800 pixels. Hi, welcome back. So now you have set your table for 800 pixels, and now we're going to look at creating a table inside of the table. That's called nesting. I'm going to click in the first row. I'm going to go up to my table option, and I'm going to insert a 1 row, 2 column table, and I am going to say 100% because I want it to completely fill that first row. And I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to click in the first cell. I'm going to drag across and I'm going to go to vertical top. Now I can always go back and change that later, but right now that makes it so that anything I type or any images I insert will be at the top of the cell. So here are some things we can do once we have this row. I'm going to go to the images. I'm going to open up my practice folder, click on the Mahomet logo, and click OK. Now I have an image in the first cell, and what I want you to see is this line is still here, or actually when you click on it, mine moved over here. That happens sometimes. Get a hold of that divider line and take it all the way against the picture. You can even drag the mouse over the picture to make sure it's flush with it. Okay, now click in the cell next to it, and I've changed my mind. I want this to be in the middle. So I'm going to change to vertical default. I'm going to go to centering, and I'm going to change to a heading 1. Put the name of the school. And now I'm going to show you how to use the eyedropper. I'm going to select the words Mahomet Seymour Junior High School. I'm going to come down to this box that says text color. You have to hover to see text color. Click and I get an eyedropper. Now the eyedropper can do any of these colors, but what's awesome is that we can come up and I can click right on the bulldog and get the exact blue to match the bulldog. Now that I'm clicked off of the words, I'm going to come down to background, BG color. I'm going to bring my eyedropper up. I'm going to click in the orange, and now I've matched the background color. I'm going to do Control S to save, and I'm going to click F12 to view it. So this is what it looks like now with those two things done. Notice with the white edge, kind of makes it look like the page is floating, like there's no border. So there's some few other steps I'm going to show you to fix some of that.